Hello friends, welcome back again to this amazing session of 2025, and in this session I'm gonna teach you how you can get a virtual credit card for free. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Before starting this video, I wanna let you know that this video is for educational purpose only. And if you are planning to buy any of the digital product that I have listed in my YouTube channel, then you can contact me on WhatsApp or Instagram. So all what you have to do, you just have to search here free VCC online. Okay, so you have to type here and let me show you how you will do it. Here you can see the interface of website. You have to come to this website. Just open it on any browser you can choose, like Chrome or Safari if you are using an iPhone. I have already created an account on it, but just type your first and the last name here. Then I will type my username and then I will put my email address. Just follow the steps like I am doing it. As you can see, our account is created successfully. So let me show you the next steps how you can get your virtual credit card. As you can see, there is a message of congratulations. Here you can see this is my MasterCard. I have hidden my CVCs